Hi, my name is Carlos Bravo. I'm a consultant at the NAV People, and today we're going to do a session on Continia Document Capture. So we're going to see what is document capture, how it works, its key values, import purchase invoices, create the vendor templates, the simple way and advanced way, and then match invoices with purchase orders in NAV, also the approval workflows and the enhanced options. So let's move on to the demo environment. So let's start the presentation now. We are the NAV people, the 365 people as well. And this is what we're going to cover, document capture overview. Are you tired of typing? This is the first question, because this is a software that is going to help you guys to import all invoices from your vendors, mostly, but also you can just import sales documents, you can import credit memos. We're going to cover that in a minute. Basically, this is the agenda that I just went through on the initial presentation. We're going to go more in detail on the next slide. So what is document capture really? So document capture is a software that has included OCR, which is the engine of recognizing all the text in your documents. It doesn't have to be a purchase document, can be any type of document that you are interested in importing now. It will automate every step of the daily documents. So it will just you can register the document, import it in NAV, and then play with it. Let's say you can just add workflows, register things, post things, and archive all those documents, and you will have all that information archived until you want really. How it works? So basically, we are dividing this in 3 steps. So the documents coming in, so it can come in 2 ways. Emails, which is what we are recommending to every customer, and then on paper documents. So if it comes on emails, directly goes to a share folder and automated it in an automated way. We are going to process that with the OCR engine and then go to NAV. The OCR can be on-premise in your machine or can be on the cloud. So that's based on an Azure server in Continia's domain. And then we have the option of paper documents. I'm not a really good friend of this because obviously you need to scan the documents and then it will be processed again. Once you have it in a PDF format, it can be processed again with the OCR on the engine, and we can just process it into NAV. Once it's processed, we're going to have 4 types of files. One is the original email that your vendor sent to you. We're going to have a XML file, which is basically everything that the OCR engine captured in your document, but in text file. We're going to have a PDF, which is basically the PDF that your vendor sent to you on the invoice, and a TIFF file, which is basically just the picture, because NAV will handle better pictures and in a quick, faster way than PDFs. And that's it. Basically, you can import, as I said, purchase invoices, sales order, and other document types. The key values of document capture are basically no more typing, or at least the vast amount. This is never going to be 100% because we always get some invoices from vendors with handwriting or things like that, and that's not going to be possible to be recognized. And there is always a manual check for those invoices. But apart from that, the majority of it, I will say 90%, if the template job is done properly, 90%, 99% of the invoices can be straight in. So also we have a digital approval workflow that helps usually to avoid all those old-fashioned way of stamps on each document and approving on every single layer of your workflow matrix approval. Then we have automatic matching to purchase orders. So if you have a purchase order in NAV, it can be automatically matched with the invoice coming from the vendor. Then we have also approved invoices from NAV or from Outlook emails. We're going to cover that in a bit. You can register any type of document, as I said, purchase order, credit memos, etc. It's a full text search, so it's gonna everything that is on the PDF is gonna be recognized and moved to the XML file. Doesn't matter if it's 1 page or 200 pages, doesn't matter. It's gonna be all recognized and put it in the XML. Then we have a digital document archive. This can be in NAV, also in the database itself, or in a shared drive, or whatever you wanna store your documents, but always in a digital way, so you can always access to your documents really easily. And it's 100% NAV based, so it's an add-on, but it's all in NAV, so there is no third party or third software that we need to install apart from the OCR engine if you want it on premise. Approval workflows. This is something really nice. Continia offers a web portal. We're going to see that in the presentation. You can approve purchase orders, sales orders, and purchase orders only on the web portal. Then once those documents are sent into NAV, a user has to register the orders and send it for approval. This arrow is sent for approval and can be approved in NAV or approved by email. We're going to cover that in a bit because approvals from Continia standard on an email, Outlook has to be linked to NAV, and basically you have a link in the Outlook email, and once you click on that, it will open NAV. That means that every approver needs a Navision license, and that's one of the things that we enhance with our enhanced module. Is, I will say, better because you don't have to consume licenses for approvers or approving by email. We're going to cover that. So in a standard Continia, you can see on the web portal all the information of the invoice. You can see the picture of the invoice. You can approve, obviously. You can reject. You can delegate. You can create comments, and drag and drop extra files. All of this on the web portal, a web approval portal.